How to download music for offline listening. So if you want to download music for your offline listening, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Pandora.com. Once you search for Pandora.com, then it will take you to the website, right? So Pandora is a music streaming service and it offers an offline listening features which wraps the Plus or Pandora premium account, which allows you to download for offline feedbacks. So please note that the ability of this feature may vary by different reasons and subscription types. So as you can see, in order to download the music or offline listening, you'll need to visit the website or you'll need to open up the application. You'll have the Pandora Premium, which is like you can get 60 days free discount premium plans, or you'll have the 30 days free Pandora Plus plans. So in order to download the music on Pandora, you'll have to have a premium account or maybe a Pandora Plus. Select either of the option and then get a premium of any of the following options. After that, you need to log into your Pandora account that has an active Pandora Plus or Pandora Premium subscription. You can either create a new station based on your favorite artist or song, or you can choose an existing station from your collection as well. And after that, you can simply go with the song, and then on the right side you need to tap on the three dots icon or the option menu and select the download, and after that it will download and you can listen offline. So in order to download music offline on your Pandora, you'll need to have the subscription. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.